seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you.
Yo, what's up? Chef Young right here. Alright, here I go on. Today I'll be doing some jerk chicken, see? On an open field. Trust me guys, this jerk chicken I got have on the mouth of run water. Trust me, full of flavor, delicious. You see me? So stay tuned. I will get to you right after the break.
I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you tell me you love me,
Alright guys, so first I'm gonna start by showing you how I season my chicken. Right here I have 2 chicken that I already went off camera and cut up. And I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of jerk seasoning. Now I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of green seasoning. Now I'll be going in with 3 tablespoons of cool running jerk seasoning, and I'm using the hot, but they also have a mild, right? So if you're afraid of pepper, you can also use the mild one. Alright now. Alright guys, what's your style here? I'm gonna use half buckle of the red stripe beer here. Trust me, yo, you see you add the red stripe beer, it give the whole chicken a different flavor, man, I tell you. Blood! Yeah man, wicked flavor, man. Right? But if you're not a fan of beer, right, if you don't drink, you don't have to use the beer. You can just go ahead and rub it up like that. It will be good same way. Alright, you see how I cut out the chicken, guys? Look how I cut out the chicken. I cut one of the chicken in 2 half, right? And I cut the other one in some quarters. So I'm just gonna let it sit and marinate for about an hour before I head to the field. Yeah, people, we outside. You see me? Yeah, I do a little barbecue up on the field here, as you can see. See? People say we can't do no barbecue up on the property. You see me? So I have to take it outside, you know? So, yeah man, I'm showing you how I go on still. Alright peeps, so you have a chicken here when I seasoned for about an hour ago upstairs, right? And I have the grill here and thing. I will get the grill light up and one thing, you see me? Yeah man, the grill kinda do it time still. We need a new grill, but it clean man. Now watch how it look. It clean, trust me. I scrub it down, you understand? Alright, so just let me get the grill light up and thing. Alright, watch you now guys. You remember the chef stock bag? When we did unbox, right? You see what I've used now? First time I use it, you know. You see me? Watch you know. Shall I go on this one now, guys? Yeah. Alright, I have my knife, them and thing. I never really care much still because I just run at the back of my yard with that thing. But I have my knife, see? And I carry my little baking torch. I use it like the grill. You see me? Yeah man. Alright, let me see what I go on for that grill now. Let me set this just up. Alright. Yeah man, grill light up. Grill light up guys. Let me see what I got. I'm showing you what I got. Yeah. You see me I tell you? Flames. Yeah man. So I'm gonna just close it down and make it go and heat up. I'm gonna put on my mesh. Feel the heat already, you know. See? So I just close it now and make it go and heat up and thing. Alright, so here I go on now. I grease the grill. Grill wash, right? So you don't want your chicken them stick.
On the 2 whole one them first, you see me? We have some quarters now. Put the quarters them on. Right away this smell. You smell how it smell? Oh God. Shut. Shut again. Alright. Yo. Cover this down and mix it.
Yeah. Barbecue, you know.
You see me? I'm not sure no I go on the grill you know. Very good I go on with. So I go on. I want the grill a blaze. Chicken them smell good. You see me? Yeah man, so I cover it up back. Make it go and cook, you know? Go and jerk. Yeah man, the grill a blaze and thing. You see me? Yeah, some more bread in them and pull up on things still. Because I'm supposed to wonder why we are doing so much chicken. Yeah man, them come eat the chicken man. Where is it? You see me? Beat a 1 red stripe beer too, you know? Alright, here I'm going to do that now. Alright, see that look how juice there left back in the pan, look at season there. Now rub them up back in the season. And drop them back in the pan, you see me?
That is it.
Which is right. I'll tell you.
Last part that done.
Not ready yet still. Still, yo, move your beard, dog. I want the beer to drop, you know. Although we have more beer, they still don't want no beer waste. See me?
Nothing now, nothing now. That's it.
I move like it don't want to come off of the fork. Soak it up back. Bring it back on the grill.
Spoon there,
The spoon there? I just do them on the half cut, man. Them know how the quarter, them are easier for angle. Or the pan slide all over the place, so G? Yeah, turn it so. Can't afford for the pan drop, you know. Pan drop a ball. Got them for that too nice to waste. Yeah, put the napkin, yeah. See there? Yeah. At them style there, see them style there? Soak up. Flavor. Show it to me. Yeah man. Real way, you know? If I charcoal grill, you know, I just throw some of the seasoned water in a buckle and spray them, but a gas grill. Right? So I have to do it that way, yeah.
Okay.
Right? Teach me how to teach in our style.
Yeah.
See me? Chef Young style. Right? One more piece to go. And then we close up back and make chicken go and soak. See it? Yeah man. See there? Alright, so close it down and now make it go and soak up and thing. Yo, you see what I'm going up so, guys? Yo, them brother they are threatening me for chicken right now. I said them serious. I forget 2 pieces of the fowl because them smell the scent. For sure and say no joke thing. You see me? Now I get none still. $10 plate. $10 plate for the fowl. $10 plate for the fowl them guys. Y'all get threatened. Man, them say them serious. Yeah, beautiful day. Sky is nice and blue. Night is coming down still, but think about after 7 now. Couple minutes past 7, I think. But yeah man, I go and do the thing. As I say, we're not far from home, you understand what I say? Yeah. See where the flames are going with? Smoking. Smoking like smoky. Nice. Yeah, man, I saw more on them look, man. Yeah, that's for sure. So the grill at work. Grill at work, guys. You see me, I say? So I go on here, sir. Yeah, we outside. Making them smell good. I tell them, man. Can't wait till them finish. Mash up 2 pieces of them. You see me? Yeah. So good look. Yeah, guys, look at that. Just look how gorgeous that look. Trust me. Bursting the flavor right now. Yeah, man, so we'll take them off, you know, because them done, you know. You see it? Well soaked and thing. Yeah, we outside. Night I come down, you know. So here what? I don't want dark light catch me. Seeing? So I'm gonna just chop a piece of chicken and I'm gonna see what it's looking like on the inside. Right? And then we do a little bit of taste test for y'all. Alright. Show you how I go on. Yes, I am now. Yeah. Yeah, the breast more still, you know. Breast more still, mine never can take the hip. I like hip too, you know, but I just feel like to eat the breast today. You see me? So I chop up mine. Yeah. Press it on my plate. See? See how I'm going here, sir? Pure flavor right here. Yeah. Showing how I'm going for the plate. See it? Alright. Yeah, see what I'm going here? Got a piece of bread with it, you know. Yo. Yo. Yo, 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 yo. Flavor? Flavor wicked. Wicked piece of chicken. Trust me. Never eat a jerk chicken nice yet. Never, me not like tuna, you know. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I never eat a jerk chicken flavorful and nice yet. Just imagine a charcoal grill. If I just young this nice. Oh my word.
You taste beside this.
Eh?
Rasta, you taste beside this.
Nah, tell you, man. Nah, tell you, bro. Shut off. Shut off. That one?
Flip it all out.
Cover it up, man. Cover it up. Make me stay night. Yo, we're still outside. Look what I'm going. So what I'm going here, sir? Right, now we know. So the place dark. Feed them all the reason and thing, you see me? Yeah, man. Chicken was good. Trust me, I need you to try this. Try this. You see me? Yeah, guys. Yeah, it was a good vibe still. Definitely a good vibe. I'm gonna chill out here more often. You know? Yeah, the weather is right. You have light on the field, as you can see right here. The basketball field is lit. Yeah. It's all good. Alright, guys. So here I go on. Yeah, me soon next time, yeah? With the next vlog. I'm out.
Seeing monsters out your window.